Hey guys, Matt Baker, Legendary Realty. Welcome to my newest listing on Alameda Court in Spanish Fort, Alabama, in the Churchill Subdivision with a community pool, community playground, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, beautiful home. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, welcome inside my listing. I love how the kitchen flows and opens to the great room. I love the farmhouse accents and the cozy colors. You're gonna love this house. You're gonna love the floors throughout and the corner pantry. Up near the front of the house, we've got 2 full bedrooms on the right-hand side as well as a full bath, which I'll show to you right now. The 3rd bedroom is in the same main hallway on the left-hand side next to the laundry room. Back in the great room, I love the double tray ceiling. I love the ceiling fan. It feels so spacious and cozy in here. We're gonna head right now into the master bedroom. Master bath has a large walk-in closet, granite counters, separate shower, garden tub, and as we walk back to the master, hey, check out that barnyard door. In the backyard, not only is it fully fenced, but that wooded area to the corner is an area owned and maintained by the Churchill Property Owners Association. The community pool is a great place to meet the neighbors, make new friends. It's located on Buckingham Boulevard as you come into the neighborhood. And I can't wait to show you the splash pad as well as the neighborhood playground. If you're interested in touring this beautiful house today, my name is Matt Baker. I'd be glad to give you a personal tour or set up your own virtual tour, show you all the details in person, and I can't wait to meet you at the next open house.